Hi, I'm Govindasamy Srinivasan from govindasamy.com. Welcome to my Affli Weapon review. We are the dashboard of Affli Weapon where I will walk you through a little later. I have put together some awesome bonuses for those of you who would like to purchase Affli Weapon through my link. I will explain about the bonuses in a minute. Now, let us see what is Affli Weapon. Affli Weapon is a brand new system that includes a powerful software tool that makes it easier than ever for you to make daily commissions without any hard work required on your part. The secret affiliate weapon which is used is a massive shortcut to making money online. Now there is a training video involved where you can see over the shoulder how to set up your account. There is a Affli Weapon app which you will get instantly access to on any of your device. There are 5 done for you offers, affiliate offers, which you can immediately plug in and profit, which are free to use. Now for making profit from these sites, you have a built-in free traffic module. Anyway, you need traffic to earn money online, and when you build these Affli Weapon sites, you need traffic to go to your website and somebody needs to buy. This is free in this system. You don't need to spend any penny. Okay, and this is a complete money making system, includes easy to use software app, which they call it a secret affiliate weapon, and the traffic is included. If this interests you, then stick on with me as I will be providing more details about the product and my bonuses. If you want to purchase Affli Weapon, then you can go down to the link in my below this video, which will bring you to this bonus page, and when you press one of these yellow buttons, which will take you to the sales page where you can buy Affli Weapon from here. Now you need to buy Affli Weapon before the timer on my countdown timer on my bonus page hits 0. When the countdown timer hits 0, all my bonuses will disappear, and I don't want you to miss any of them. Now let's take a look into the bonuses. Bonus number 1. This is a traffic getting module, which is a complete course where you can log into and learn, and you can get traffic to your Affli Weapon sites using this method. Bonus number 2 is a underground traffic method, traffic source from where you can drive tons of traffic to your Affli Weapon sites and make commissions. Now these two, bonus 1 and bonus 2, are traffic modules which I have put especially for people who purchase Affli Weapon through my link. The reason being that the free traffic method available in Affli Weapon may not be sufficient to earn big commissions, though it is a free traffic site. So you need to do a lot of work to gain your commissions. So these two traffic bonuses will definitely help you in making commissions with Affli Weapon sites. Now bonus number 3 is a course which can take you from $0 to $100 in 24 hours. Now this is a complete course which you can access the membership area and learn from scratch how to set up your business. Now bonus number 4, this is actually an introduction to affiliate marketing. Now many of you may be new to affiliate marketing or just starting out, and this video will help you to understand where to start and how to start with affiliate marketing. Okay, the bonus number 5 is all the vendor bonuses. There are some exclusive bonuses supplied by the vendor which you can access through this bonus. If you want to access all these bonuses, then you need to come to this bonus page by clicking the link below this video and pressing one of these yellow buttons, going over to the sales page and clicking this yellow button to purchase your Affli Weapon copy. Once you have purchased, you go to your Warrior Plus account where you access your purchase receipt, which looks like this, and when you press this blue button, you get access to all the bonuses, including the vendor bonuses. Now let's hop over to the sales page. Now this is a brand new push button software which drives free traffic done for you offers in 60 seconds with just a few clicks. Oh, this is true, which I will show you in my demo in a little while. So this is a complete money making system, includes easy to use software app and free traffic included, which will be demonstrated in the members area. Now there are basically three steps involved. You just log into the FleetWeapon cloud based app, choose one of the done for you offers which are provided in the members area. Okay, and then you activate your traffic right inside the app and then start making money. And these are some claimers, income earners claimers, and you can go through the sales page, each and everything which you want to know at your own time. Now let's go for a demo in the members area. Now I will take you through a FleetWeapon and show you how to create your sites and turn traffic to it. Now this is where your sites you created will be displayed. This is the training module, this is the support module. These are the freebies and offers. There are up to 5 offers available for the front end which you can promote, which I will show you in a minute. And after you create your sites, you can send traffic through this traffic module. Let's go and create a site. So once you click this, there are 5 offers available in the front end will get displayed. You can go and preview this offer, and this is the bonus which is available, and anyone needs to purchase this uProfit2 product to get the bonus. Now to promote this product, you need to get the affiliate link and set it up in these 3 areas. I'll show you where to get your affiliate links from. So this is the offer page and freebie page which I showed you in the dashboard. So this is our offer which we are going to promote. You can download the freebie which you can later provide to your people who purchase from your link. And this is the link where you request your affiliate link. When you click this, it takes you to the JV page of the product, and this is where you click to get your link. It takes you to the Warrior Plus. You should be logged into your Warrior Plus account to be able to access this. And once you are logged in, say here, this is the product which you want to promote, and you can request your approval here like this. Okay, and once you get your approval, you can go and take that link and put it in this, which I will show you in a minute. Okay, so you go here. Now once you're satisfied with this preview, you go and choose the offer where you can go and edit your links. Now this page will load up. It takes a few seconds to load up, and once this is loaded, you can see this is an editor where you can go and change. You double click to edit. You can go and change anything on the page, but what we need to do is only change these affiliate links here. So you double click it here, and then you can go and change your link here like this. Okay, you go and copy paste your link here and then say okay. Similarly, you go and change your link here also, and then you need to change the link in this button. So to change the link in this button, you need to double click here, and then you have to press this icon, your target link. You need to go and change your link here. Okay, once you have changed the link, now your page is ready. You need to save your page, and once your page is saved, you need to create a site URL before publishing. So here you create a site URL. Okay, you can change the name if you want, and then say okay. Okay, and then close it. Next, once you have created your page, you need to go and publish it. Once you have published, please close the editor. Yeah, you can leave the site and see, oh, hooray, your site is created here. Now you can view the site here, your site with your affiliate links. Okay, so it will just come up in a minute. So this is the site which you have created with all your affiliate links in place. Wow, fantastic. Now you can grab your URL of your site, and now you need to go and get some traffic. Now I will just show you how to get your traffic. This is basically a free traffic module which this product is providing you. This is a Traffic AC, is a traffic exchange program where you accumulate points by looking at others offers, and other people also will look into your offers. So some people will get interested and will buy from you. So you hit the website here, you add your URL here, okay, and paste your site URL here. Once you paste, you can select the visit duration, how many estimated visits you want, how many hits per hour you want unlimited or limited hits, okay. All this you can, traffic source, custom referrer, no referrer you can create, and you can select the countries, specific countries you can select from here, and then you can add your URL to the system. Now traffic will start flowing to your the way your site is, your membership is set up at Traffic AC. Now there is a limitation with Traffic AC where you may not get the kind of traffic which you are expecting. That is why I have added some bonuses which I have explained to you already. Some traffic bonuses which will help you drive more traffic to your sites. You can get access to all of this and all the bonuses if you purchase the front-end product for $19 only. Now let's look into the upsells. Now there are the front-end product costs $19 and there are 6 upsells going from $47 to $147. It is not absolutely necessary to purchase any of these upsells to make your AffiliWeapon front-end product work. Now let's look at the upsells. The front-end product with AffiliWeapon costs $19. It gives you access to the powerful secret AffiliWeapon software and the training modules, which includes 5 done-for-you offers with bonuses and the traffic. Now, upsell 1 is a secret commission sites, which costs $47. So these are some very secret offers which are 100% proven to help and scale your online profits, which you get with this upsell. Upsell number 2 is Advanced 500x Edition, which is basically, it talks about a game plan for maximizing sales and commission, and a promotion technique which uses the IM crowd. Okay. Now the upsell 3 is a done for you affiliate profit, which costs $197, which includes 20 done for you profit campaign ready to be deployed, and it is all set up for you to just plug in and send traffic to it. Upsell number 4 is auto profits boosters, which costs $77. So this is a method which will help you boost 25 times, 50 times, or even 1000 times your results with absolutely zero hard work. Okay, now upsell 5 is autopilot costing $67, which all of this process which you go through in the affiliate is completely automated. You don't have to lift your finger. That is what they claim. I have not looked into it. Now upsell number 6 is the license rights for $147. Basically, they give you an opportunity to sell AffiliWeapon as your own product and keep 100% of it, even on the upgrades. So it's a complete online, full online business in a box. Okay, and you don't need to do any writing, designing, or funnel building required. You can make money starting today, and the bonuses are included. You can scale this up to 6 figures. Now this comes with a 100-day money back guarantee, which is a little unusual for these products. So that is the product owners stand behind this product. That is why they are able to give you a 100-day money back guarantee. Now this brings us to an end of the end of our review. So kindly check out the bonuses on this page. You can also go through the official demo video here. Make sure to get a copy of your AffiliWeapon by clicking the link here before the price rises. Okay, thank you so much for watching my AffiliWeapon review. See you until next. Until then, Stay safe, stay healthy, take care.